Oh yeah, it ain't over, motherfuckers.
The motherfucking saga continues.
Y'all motherfuckers ready for a WA? Get the fuck up!
But now, since he stepped the fuck off,
here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you. Here's what they think about you.
Here's what they think.
Here's what they think about. Here's what they think about.
Here's what they think about. Here's what they think about.
Fuck all y'all.
Goddamn, I'm glad y'all set it off. Used to be hard, now you're just wet and soft. First you was down with the AK, and now I see you on a video with Mission Lay, looking like straight bozos. I saw it coming, that's why I went solo and kept on stomping, while y'all motherfuckers moved straight out of Compton. Living with the whites, one big house, and not another nigga in sight. I started off with too much cargo, drop board niggas, now I'm making all the dough. White man just ruling. The niggas with attitudes, who you fooling? Y'all niggas just phony. I put that on my mama and my dead homies. Yellow boys on your team, so you're losing. Hey yo, Dre, stick to producing. Calling me owner, but you been a dick. Easy E saw your ass and went in it quick. You got jealous when I got my own company, but I'm a man and ain't nobody helping me. Trying to sound like American most. You can yell all day, but you don't come close. Cause you know I'm the one that flow. You done ran 100 miles, but you still got one to go. With the LENCHMOP and y'all disgrace to CPT. Cause you're getting fucked out your green by a white boy with no Vaseline. The bigger the cat, the bigger the villain. Who gives a fuck about a punk ass villain? You're getting fucked real quick and easy dick. It's smelling like MC Ren shit. Tried to tell you a year ago, but Willie D told me to let a hoe be a hoe, so I couldn't stop you from getting ganked. Now let's play big bank, take little bank. Tried to diss Ice Cube, it wasn't worth it cause the broomstick fits your ass so perfect. Cut my hair, now cut them balls, cause I heard you like giving up the draws. Gang bang by your manager, fella, getting money out your ass like a motherfucking ready teller. Giving up the dollar bills, now they got the villain with a purse and high heels. So don't believe what Ren say, cause he's going out like Kunta Kinte. But I got a whip for you, Toby. Used to be my homie, now you act like you don't know me. It's a case of divide and conquer, cause you let a juke break up my crew. House nigga gotta run and hide, yelling Compton, but you moved to Riverside. So don't front, MC Ren, cause I remember when you drove a B210, broke as a motherfucking joke. Let you on the scene to back up the first team. It ain't my fault, one nigga got smart and they ripping your asshole apart by taking your grin. Oh yeah, the villain does get fucked with no Vaseline. I never have dinner with the president. I never have dinner with the president. I never have dinner with the president. And when I see your ass again, I'll be hesitant. Now I think you a snitch. Throw a house nigga in a ditch. Half pint bitch, fucking your homeboys, you little maggot. Easy E turn faggot with your manager, fella. Fucking MC Ren, Dr. Dre, and Yella. But if they were smart as me, Easy E'll be hanging from a tree with no Vaseline. Just a match and a little bit of gasoline. Light 'em up, burn 'em up, flame on, so that Jerry Curl is gone. On a permanent vacation, off the master plantation. Heard you both got the same bank account, dumb nigga. What you thinking about? Get rid of that devil real simple. Put a bullet in his temple. Cause you can't beat a nigga for life, crew. With a white dude telling you what to do. Pulling wolves with your scam. Now I gotta play the silence of the lamb with a mission who's a punk too. Trying to fuck me, but I'd rather fuck you. Eric White, punk, always into something. Getting fucked at night by Mr. Shit Packer. Bend over for the goddamn cracker, no Vaseline.
Motherfucking Ricky Ross. There's something special right here. Excuse the marijuana. Just trying to enjoy myself. We got some gangsters in the house too. Come on.
I got a bunch of dollars, I can spend them on her.
Bounce.
No, she can be my lady, she can be my lover. Tell me on a late night, get right, he ain't acting right. Every superwoman needs a Superman. Yeah, I am.
Sightseeing, we might be in the quadruport or the new white BM, home from FAMU with a gorgeous face. Next semester she transferred to Florida State, cooking like home ec for financial aid. I held her down, she had problems with financial aid. Remember, meantime my finances straight. I even opened up the door to the financial states. She used to fight with her mom till I set them both down. Now she tight with her mom. Yeah, I put the ice on her arm. Now she know she getting sliced, spending nights in Milan. We still blow weed together. Cheated on her, but we still gon' be together. Put the house on the water, hit the beach whenever. She from up north and still can't believe the weather.
I got a bunch of dollars, I can spend them on her. No, she can be my lady, she can be my lover. Tell me on a late night, get right, he ain't acting right. Every superwoman needs a Superman. Yeah, I am.
Well, here I am, and here I go. Why you looking for that other when you got the best? The previous was a test for you, now you're in the big league. A black Steinbrenner, who would wanna play for me? Your last man was a chump, and you can tell him I said it. He was talking loud at first, but you can see that he did it. You can see I ain't sweat it. Hell, I call him up myself and tell him how he can get it. No, please, don't confuse me, miss. I'm trying to see how I can put you on my Christmas list. I hope you ain't offended by this, but I think your ass fine as shit. And that's straight up real talk. All bullshit aside, she replied, I like to do the wild thing. Action took place at my place, not my place, it's her place.
I got a bunch of dollars, I can spend them on her. No, she can be my lady, she can be my lover. Tell me on a late night, get right, he ain't acting right. Every superwoman needs a Superman.
More better, more cheddar. Knock the man off your clothesline sweater. Ho getter, gorilla. Fuck chauffeurs, I went and got more killers. I rock with niggas like Fabulous, cause to tell the truth, baby, life fabulous. But you make it look glamorous. Your spaghetti strap heels, not for amateurs. Wrist quite rocky, talk like Foxy, job like Roxy, spark that broccoli, walk quite Aki, that means sexy. I will save you if you let me. Fly with me, get high as me. A lot of alphabets, girl, I'm a G. Time will tell, Rolex watches, we showstoppers, hoes just watching.
I got a bunch of dollars, I can spend them on her. No, she can be my lady, she can be my lover. Tell me on a late night, get right, he ain't acting right. Every superwoman needs a Superman. Yeah, I am.
I was out in the hay, met some niggas from the hay, met some girls from the hay, a lot of folks in the hay, and they all go dum 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 dum. They all get dum 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 dum. They all go dum 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 dum. They all get dum 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 dum. Hey yo, I represent that dirty ENT all the way, but I'ma rip this shit up like I'm straight from the bay. But no, it ain't the stiggity one from back in the day. It's the diggity diggity dirty one, they call him that lay. Leaning on his colors with his cellular phone, you can tell that the St. Louis was his home. More male than the rest of them rappers, cause they did more stomping than the cappers. And that's why his clique was it. First name Saint, last name Tix. Had brothers in the name Murphy Key. Slow had a man, City of Ali. Old school, wet color, cranberry. Up in the abyss with homie E all day. Orange juice, mix it with the tang and the ray. Hey, what can I say? I was out in the hay, met some niggas from the hay, met some girls from the hay, a lot of folks in the hay, and they all go dum 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 dum. They all get dum 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 dum. They all go dum 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 dum. They all get dum 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 dum. Oh, who you think this is? This ain't short, this Louis. Going to Mac, mom, that's my biz. Life's too short, baby, catch my drift. I was told not long ago, Nelly, don't stop that rap. If you do it well enough, she just might bring it back. Can I yell?